In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order tracking page on Shopify. Having an order tracking page not only enhances the customer experience but also streamlines your business operations by keeping your customers informed about the status of their orders. With that in mind, let's dive straight into the process so you can set this up quickly and efficiently. First things first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, have a look at the left sidebar and find the option labeled as Online Store. Clicking on it will drop down a list of features, and from this list, select Pages. This section allows you to manage all your store's pages, and here is where we'll create our order tracking page. You should now see a button that says Add Page. Click on this button to start creating a new page. Give your new page a title, something clear like Order Tracking, which helps both you and your customers know what the page is for. Then, in the content area, you'll want to use some custom code. This is where it gets a bit technical, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. You'll need to embed a tracking app widget if you're using third-party integration, or input the order lookup form code if you are following a direct method with Shopify. For third-party apps, typically you would go to the Shopify App Store and search for order tracking apps. Popular ones often have easy-to-use widgets that you can insert here. Follow the instructions provided by the app to get the necessary code snippet for your page. If you're managing this directly through Shopify, you can use HTML provided by Shopify's support or documentation. This HTML code is designed to allow customers to enter their order number and email to see their order status. Once you've added the relevant code to the page content, it's time to fine-tune the layout. Make sure everything looks polished and clear. You want the page to be easy to navigate with straightforward instructions for your customers on how to check the status of their orders. Before you save the changes, check over everything thoroughly. Make sure your code is correct, that the title is set, and the instructions are clear. When you're confident, click on the Save button to create the page. Now, we need to make sure your customers can easily find this order tracking page. Navigate back to the Online Store section and select Navigation. Decide which menu you'd like to add the order tracking page to. It could be your main menu or the footer menu, depending on your store's setup. Click on the Add Menu item and enter a descriptive name for your new link. Afterward, select Link, then Pages, and find the order tracking page you just created. Select it, and then make sure to save your changes. With that, your Shopify store now has a functional order tracking page. Your customers can conveniently track their orders, which will enhance their shopping experience on your site. Remember to promote this page to your customers so they know it exists, from features like order confirmation emails to newsletters. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.